What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe, and then if you're a 10 subscriber, thank you so much, and then obviously keeping up with the content. Yeah, on today's video, I want to show you guys the first floor wall plate building. So the guys, obviously they are building we are moving forward, obviously. The chapter of the house, we're building the first floor wall panel, and then obviously, yeah, I'm just going to take you through the process, and obviously, yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Yeah, guys, on this video clip, I want to showcase how the guys bring up the bricks to the first floor, or maybe to the first floor slab. Yeah, so the guys have to prepare before they build, or maybe before they start building the walls. They need to, there's a lot of work. I'm sure that these guys they spend about 3 days, and it was just 3 days, or 3 days to 5 days, and it was just 3 of them, while they start moving the materials to the first floor. As you can see here on this video, they're moving the bricks. The bricks are already on the first floor, so they can start with the building. And obviously, after the bricks, they pack it nicely so that it mustn't be messy, and also allow them space to start with the wall, especially when obviously they need to follow the lines of the plan. So then they also need to pack it together so that it doesn't mess around with the alignment of the house. And obviously they move the bricks from the ground to the first floor, and obviously it was just 3 guys. So obviously they're using I think they were throwing it to one another to move the bricks to the first floor. So yeah, that was the process. And then obviously when they're done moving the bricks, or maybe when they're done moving the part of the bricks, because they couldn't move all of the bricks at once, and obviously these bricks there was a lot of bricks, and some of them were heavy. And obviously after packing them up nicely and preparing them obviously for the lines, they also need they move the second material, which is the building sand, which is also one of the requirements to start building the wall panel, which they use. I think they used buckets to move it to be on one person will be at on the ground, and then the other person, maybe the 2 guys at the first floor, and then to put the building sand on the slab. And then obviously they move on to obviously the water, and also start moving up the water to be also on the first floor of the slab. This clip of the video, you can see the guys are already started with the wall. As you can see, this is the side of the garage underground. Obviously on top it's obviously going to be a bedroom, and also a balcony. So yeah, you can see the guys already started putting up the bricks, and obviously start making up the wall. it's looking good. And obviously guys, I'll just apologize about the quality of the video as well, since it's not that clear. But obviously the device which was used here, it was a low quality camera video. But yeah, the guys have started here. As you can see the progress.
Looking to build a new house or renovate your current home? Look no further. SWT Trading Enterprise is here to assist you. We specialize in building, foundation laying, slab install, roofing, and plastering. We are located in GIYANI, BUNGENI, ELIM. Contact us now for a low quote at 076 444 2209 or alternatively at 083 533 344.
Yeah, as you can see here, this is the view from the ground. Yeah, so this obviously you can see there's progress. You can see some light on where the double. You can start to see that this is a double story from the ground. Yeah, so on this clip of the video, as you can see, there's a lot of progress of the building, the wall of the first floor, and as you can see, the guys are busy. So on this video clip, day before there was rain. As you can see, the slab is a bit wet, and obviously I think they took about 2 days break, because the day before, the 2 days before it was raining, so they didn't push a lot. But as you can see, there is too much progress. As you can see, all because the side of the view is the back side of the house. As you can see, there's a huge progress from here, and then obviously there's still a lot of work to be done. Obviously dividing the rooms of the house, and making sure and obviously the front of the house, obviously, to make sure that it start to take shape according to the house plan. But yeah, I will say there is a huge progress, as you can see from here. Yeah, there is a huge progress. The guys are pushing the bricks. Most of the bricks are already on the first floor of the slab, and obviously the guys are already assisting. There's some other guys which are assisting, moving the bricks to the first floor of the slab, and also the other guys moving the water to the first floor of the slab, same as the building's end. But yeah, so, and obviously on this part of this section of the video, they added more guys to assist them, because yeah, as you can see here, they are moving the bricks on top from the ground. So this is how they move it. It can take a bit of time to move these kind of bricks, yeah, as they do it one by one, unlike when they're using a machine to do something like this. But yeah, it is how it is. Unfortunately, we don't have those kind of resources to move bricks, or maybe those kind of machines to move bricks, but this is how we're doing it. As you can see, the sand is already on the top for first floor of the slab. As you can see, but obviously they use bucket to move this building sand to go on top of the first floor of the slab. And yeah, it's a bit of work, especially if you don't have resources or machines to move this kind of material to go on the first floor. Yeah, so yeah, this is a lot of work. Yeah, but yeah, the guys are pushing. And then obviously this is the water. So there's 3 small tanks of which they put on top of the first floor to store the water for them to. obviously this is the update from, or maybe the view from the ground. As you can see, there's a lot of different compared to the first slides of the video. As you can see, the house is starting to take shape. You can see now the house is a double story. You can see now the walls have been obviously reached the mostly of the roof level, which is the back wall already reached the roof level, which it's gonna make it easy for the guys who are gonna be doing the roof to just put in the wood and obviously start with the roof. But yeah, the house is starting to take shape. As you can see from the ground floor, from the ground, you can see the difference between, because when you're standing on the first floor, it seems like you don't see much different, because it seems like you're just on the ground floor. But when you're on the ground floor or viewing the first floor, you can see now that the house is on the double story level. As you can see, as you can see, it's easy for you can see that the house is taking shape and it's starting to look like a double story from the ground view. So in this part of the video clip, as you can see, the guys already starting to put, or maybe to fit the door frame. As you can see now, they're starting to divide the rooms according to the plan. So yeah, it's quite a lot of work. Maybe to me, because I'm not used to this kind of stuff. Obviously, I'm not a building contractor, but yeah, the guys are starting to divide the rooms. I think they're starting with the third bedroom, third and the second bedroom on the ground on the first floor. So as you can see, it's starting to take shape. Put the building plastic as a start, and then obviously they start laying out the bricks. So when they divide the rooms, especially the bedroom, they use a single brick. Just they use a single line brick. Just maybe for those who maybe we have experience on this, please just advise if this will be strong enough, because this is a stock brick. It's not the RDP bricks, like it's not that big, so it's a bit small. For those who use this kind of method before, just let me know if it's strong enough, because I'm just worried when they start to install installing the the wall, the electric, because they're gonna still need to drill down these walls. I'm just wondering if it's gonna be strong enough. It's gonna be strong enough. I know they're gonna plaster after that, but I'm just worried about the strength of the wall, just because they're using a single lane brick. But yeah, they said they've used it before, and this is strong, and obviously it can assist in saving bricks, because they're not using double lane bricks. They're only using a single brick. But yeah, they said they're gonna assist in saving bricks. But I'm not really worried about saving bricks, because I think there's still a lot of bricks which still can be used. But yeah, just please comment down below, guys, and let me know if there's you think the single lane it's strong enough, and obviously it's strong enough for the roof as well. But yeah, this is obviously the guidance from the contractor. Hey guys, so we have reached the end of this video, and then obviously this is the update for now, and obviously stay tuned for the next video for more update with regards to the first floor. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for keeping up with the content, and obviously supporting my channel. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe. It doesn't take much. You just need to click that button, and then you are subscribed, and also turn on that notification bell so that you can notified when I release a new video. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Cheers.